Alchi Monastery is the marvel of Ladakh and it represents the pinnacle of trans-Himalayan art form. There are 4 hamlets in this region. Out of these, Alchi Monastery is situated at Alchi village in Leh district, which is said to be the oldest and most famous. It is 70 kilometers away from Leh. To reach here, one has to hire a car from Leh. The best month to visit is between May and September when the weather is most manageable. Roads remain closed from November to April due to snowfall, so those months are best avoided. If you want to witness the monastery in all its glory, plan your visit during one of the amazing festivals when the place is bubbling with celebrations. You can plan your visit around the Tibetan New Year, Sordun and Chatrul Dusan. Visiting times 10 am to 1 pm, 2 pm to 6 pm and open all the days. While planning an amazing trip to Alchi Monastery, make sure to keep few things in mind. 1. Wear comfortable shoes that can offer you maximum comfort to travel in the high altitude region. 2. Plan for at least 1 or 2 hours of stay at the monastery if you want to experience it properly. 3. The peace and serenity are what makes it a monastery. Don't disturb it by talking too loudly and try to avoid talking in phone, etc. 4. Remember that photography is not allowed inside the monastery. And 5. Do not carry any intoxicating substances or food at the monastery premises. There are also chortens in the complex. The architecture of Alchi Monastery is of Tibetan style. The monastery complex has 3 major shrines, the Dukhang or the Assembly Hall, the Sunstake and the Temple of Manjushri. It is a 10th to 11th century monastery and comes under Gelugpa sect of Tibetan Buddhism. The complex houses a huge statue of Buddha and lavish wood carvings and artwork. The artistic and spiritual details of both Buddhist and the Hindu kings of the time in Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are reflected in the wall paintings in the monastery. These are some of the oldest surviving paintings in Ladakh. Alchi Monastery has a rich historical significance due to which it is greatly valued even today. It was built between 958 and 1055 AD. According to popular tales, King Yeshe of Guje wanted to spread Buddhism in the Himalayan region. He appointed 21 scholars for this purpose, However, harsh weather conditions led to most of them collapsing before they reached the height of the Himalayas, and only two scholars, including Rinchen Zhengpo, survived. It is said that these two actually established 108 monasteries in the region, but only a few, including Alchi, have survived till today.